Ha? Ha?
Nana, mag-start.
Oh.
Come on. So welcome to the Bruno Mars Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we are to fly macaws named Kai, Lai, and Carl. Alright, and wait, there's more. Now, buddy, please come out. Here you are. Alright, so we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Tony, Cal, and Carl. And our green wing macaw named Rico. Okay, say hi everyone. Okay, so my wing macaws are very adaptive birds to whatever environment they are in. It becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And also they have a powerful beak that can crack the hard-shelled nuts. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world. And of course, the macaws are the largest, okay? Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. So our round of applause for flying macaws. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird, it's a very special, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name, okay? So everybody say Jumbo. Say louder, say Jumbo. Okay, now Jumbo, please come out. Alright, please come buddy. Okay, so this time buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave back? Hi. Good bird, okay. One more wave at them. Alright, so macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under the wings. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Everybody say wings. Good bird. Okay, one more. Say wings. Alright. So macaws' feet are zygodactyls, meaning they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Ian, he has groundnut. You will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's our reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his reward. Okay, pick it up, buddy, pick it up. Good work. Okay, so he carefully lifts up the plastic basket and gets his reward. So by the way, we are using our reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds. And as what I said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school. It's a bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having a spelling test. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here 5 animal features: the horse, camel, tiger, zebra, and the snake. And I want you to choose 1 animal feature only, okay? So, what do we choose? Louder, please. Alright, so I hear tiger with Miss Jan. So while Mr. James is preparing the Jumbo letters, let's have a short interview together with Mr. Ian. So Mr. Ian, sir, good afternoon. How are you? Doing great. Alright, so what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Random seeds, fruits, and
Again, varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, now thank you, Mr. James. Nobody? Take a look at the picture carefully and what is the spell of the tiger. First letter, what do we choose? Okay, so Jumbo, pick up the letter now for the second letter. Good bird. So Jumbo, pick up the letter I. Alright, now for the third letter. Okay, now let's proceed for the fourth. Alright, so Jumbo, pick up the letter. Now, last one, buddy. Alright. So the tiger spells Tiger. Is it correct? Yes, of course. Oh, I guess it's too easy for Jumbo. So now let's have a mathematical test in addition form. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. Okay, so first, decide. Answer, give me one number. Hand gesture lang. Come on. 7. Let's have 7. How about decide? 7 and 8 with Mr. James. Now, Mr. Ian, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects? English and math. So where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Safari.
Alright, University of Cebu Safari. Now, Mr. Ian, where did Jumbo originally came from? South America, but he loves to stay in the Philippines, right? Yes? Yes, of course. Alright. Now, buddy, 7 plus 8 is equal to? Thank you for this. Now, let's see how good he is at math. Okay, so first number, right? Okay, you can do it. First number. What do we choose? Alright, so Jumbo, we got number 1 now. Last number. Alright. So Jumbo, we got number 5 now. 7 plus 8 is equal to 50. Is it correct? Alright, so round of applause for green wing company, Jumbo. Thank you, buddy. Alright, so at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers, active and adult volunteers. So we have there our volunteer staff, the bureau, so they will give you advice or instructions what will you do. So make sure that the kid is not afraid of the bird, okay? How about an adult volunteer who wants to volunteer? Come on, adult. Okay, now pick up. At home. So after he finishes food, he will go back inside to call his friends. So by the way, Santiniers, have a golden plumage from the head along with the underpart, and you also have green. Thank you, Kuya. Good job. Okay, alright. So mom, you're next. Are you ready, ma'am? Again, just don't do an extra movement, relax, and don't touch our bird. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Santiniers Buddy friends. Alright, as you can see, our birds are free to fly because we didn't take their wings, so that our birds engage in their natural habitat, their natural behavior. Okay, thank you, buddy. Thank you, mom. Good job, thank you very much. Okay. So what for volunteer again? I need an adult volunteer and a third volunteer. Want to volunteer? Touch our birds. Now, mom, are you ready? Alright, so let me introduce to you our couple birds named Ding and Dog. Okay, so Santiniers are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. And if their partner dies, that's the only time they'll choose or find another mating partner. Okay, thank you, mom. Thank you very much. Thank you. And of course, thank you, Ding. Sure? Alright, so we have another bird species, our flying lories or flying lorries. Okay, so here are black-cap lories and rainbow lories. The lories are constantly active and noisy. So approximately 70% of their day spent feeding, and they will travel more than 48 kilometers a day to find food. So now, Ma'am Mary, can you please get your time? Are you ready? Sure? Yes, of course. Alright, so by the way, we have another Santinier named Sunny. Now, Sunny, please come out. Sunny, alright. So Sunny loves money. Normally, in the wild, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. Okay, please like to Ma'am Mary and get her money. Okay. Thank you, Mr. I invite Sunny and buy 500. Well, that's what if you want to be the last volunteer to not marry, I have a question now. Here comes, I have a question for you, okay? So did you enjoy math? Alright, did you enjoy? Let's do it again. We have another money. How about 1,000? Alright. So we're just joking now. So Sunny, good bird, okay, give it back, say thank you and bye-bye. Okay, give it back. Alright, good bird. Now, welcome Mr. Ian. Alright, thank you Sunny. Thank you Mr. Ian, of course. Thank you ma'am.
Mangutana tag.
Thank you very much.
May,
Alright.
mangutana tag tagpila ng inanang langgama ba?
From the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil because we have here our most handsome Tugutuga named Mr. Horn. Hi, buddy. Hi. So Tugutuga is the largest of all toucan species. So they have a black body and white mark on their throat that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. So as you can see, Mr. Ian has some fruits. He will toss it to Mr. Horn and let's see how good he is at catching his food. Good bird. Okay, one more. Alright, come on. Alright, nice catch. So as you can see, their large bill looks heavy, but actually it is extremely light because it is made up of protein and keratin just like our hair and nails. And also they love to do sunbathing in the wild during the rainforest. Now buddy, go get your food. One more. Okay, so by the way, toucans are not that good at flying. So they spend most of their life hopping all along the trees. And they live in southern Mexico, Central America, northern part of South America, and the Caribbean. Okay, thank you, Mr. Horn. Now a round of applause for most handsome Tugutuga named Mr. Horn. So since we're in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends, our yellow crowned Amazon parts named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Miss Jen and Mr. James.
Thank you, Mr. Sherby. Hello everyone, this is our Yellow Crown Amazon Parrot named Lani and Sherby. Yellow Crown Amazon Parrot is the most commonly Amazon due to its sleeping ability and playful health.
That's right. Maybe it's one stop of what feature today.
Can you say hi?
Adults are really not enough to sleep, but the first thing you need to have a warm up food.
Get into the water. How about the first one? Everybody's get some men first. Who's celebrating their birthday today or in the next one? Hi, happy birthday. Listen carefully. This time I will say happy birthday. Everybody's happy birthday.
Down and don't touch our bird. So from America is formerly known as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. But here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Panong in Bisaya, and Dawing in Tagalog. So their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they're mostly found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Alright, now come inside here, go get inside now, buddy. Inside, go now. Okay, good bird. So a round of applause for Brahmanic name, glider. Alright, so now let's proceed to our second bird of prey, a diurnal bird of prey. So when we say diurnal, they are more active during daytime, and they do most of their hunting on daytime. And with that, we need a lure. Handled by Mr. James. So the lure will serve as the food or the prey, because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at catching his food. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert. Our filthy hawk eagle name, Hunter. Okay, now strike everybody. Okay, one more. Alright, good bird. Now we have here Mr. Ayat. So he has the real food or the real prey, because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. Then as you can see, he's wearing a thick glove for the protection of the large and sharp talons of the bird. So by the way, Philippine Hawk Eagle is under the red list of IUCN, or International Union for Conservation of Nature, as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Same as the Brahmanicae, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. And also, they are vulnerable with humans, the biggest threat to their conservation. Now, a round of applause for Philippine Hawk Eagle Hunter. Alright, now from the medium size of birds, let's move on to the one of the largest bird of prey. And with that, again, ladies and gentlemen, I need your cooperation, so please remain seated. No one will stand, and don't try to reach out our bird, because our bird will fly closer to you. So we have there our bird trainer, Mr. Irvin. Are we good, sir? Okay, please sit down. Now, eyes here, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale. Keep your hands up high to white belt eagle name, Marina. Alright, so white-billed eagle, also known as the king of the sea, or the white ones. Alright, so a round of applause for white-billed eagle named Marina. And we see in this moment, we have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. So we have here three types of lorries: the dusky lorries, capturing lorries, and the red and blue lorries. And to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace, prosperity, and harmony, our beautiful vision. And also our scarlet ivy all the way from South America. And here, one. Right. So before we couple end our show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Ayat, together with Marina, and of course our other bird trainers, Sir Salman up there, Mr. Ricky, and our volunteer staff, the View Crew, and last but not least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Ikan, all the way from Singapore. And yours truly, my name is Sherby, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you everyone, and enjoy the rest of the while. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, so once we get featured.